for this one, it's easiest with the calculator. And when you're using the calculator, well, first the first part, because it's not a sample within, like a smaller sample, it's just the mean and standard deviation because this is a capital X. There's going to be some that have the average in there. But for this one, the mean is 16 right from the problem. And standard deviation of 8. Now if you're trying to do this by hand and find the z value, it's going to be a t because the sample size is small. And so it should be a t distribution, not a z distribution. But to use the calculator, if an American is randomly chosen, find the probability that this American will receive no more than 14 Christmas cards. So no more means 14 or less. And so to do that with the calculator, use distribution. So second distribute, and use the norm CDF and hit enter. And then the lower value, because we're going to keep going low, we use a negative. You could put negative 9999999. But is the negative in there? Negative. Okay. And then the upper value is the 14. The mean is 16, and the standard deviation of 8. And paste it, and then hit enter. 0.4013. 0.4013. The next one is between two values, between 18 and 21. So we go back into distribute, down to the second one. But this time we're between two values, 18 and 21. And our mean and standard deviation haven't changed. And we hit enter one more time to solve it. And right here, 1353, 1353. The last one, they're giving us the percent, and they want us to find the value, so it's the opposite. So instead of normal CDF, it's inverse norm. So when you go into distribute, it's the third one. Go there and hit enter. Area is your percent below. If we read the problem, 74% of all Americans receive at most how many Christmas cards? So at most means that value and below. So we would use 0.74. If it said above that many cards or more than, we would take 1 minus that and get 0.26. Mean was 16, standard deviation is 8. Paste it into the problem and hit enter to solve. 21.